Hello. So after you are getting after you get the hello after you get the notification right here. So from us, you will search for course in order to set it. So first of all, let's set the strategy. First we will check the candles to be Heikonashe. Then we will enter in the settings for the strategy. Let's move to style. Let's clean it a little bit. Then to properties, let's simulate a 10,000 account. Let's trade with 90% of the account, meaning that we are going to take as many shares that we can with 90% of our account. So we are buying Tesla stocks or selling for 90,000 US dollar. Now commission we will set at 0.005 like in interactive broker and the slippage to 3. This is normal slippage. We will unselect on every tick on bar close. Then we'll move to the imports. Here we will you will see that we have 2 sessions. Now we will select the first session to start 16, so 4 p.m. 4:30 p.m. until 22. This is equivalent with the 9:30 New York starting session. As you can see here, you can select your GMT time zone offset. For me is 3. Then you will leave entry price, ID, price out, select. Here price, this is the range 1. Yes, we will use SMA. Let's put it 60 SMA on 5-minute chart. We will move to 5-minute chart here. Yes, okay. And as you can see, 60 SMA on 5-minute chart is basically 20 SMA on 15-minute chart. So if the price is above 20 SMA or below 20 SMA, that means if the price is above the 60 SMA, it will take a buy, and if below 60 SMA, it will take us a short. Yes. Now you can see here view up. We are not selecting it, but of course you can do that. Once you select, you will see that the profit is getting down. Yeah, because it will take less trades and more secure trades by myself, but for now leaving off. Then we will check here. We will put 30 and here 50. These are checks that we are checking the bars, eventually the body of the bars, and that the bars should not be a doji. Okay. Then in order for this line here to be smaller, we'll unselect this one. And now on exit conditions, you will see here QSL trailing. That means the price is moving. This, like you are seeing here, this orange bar is moving with the price. So you are basically having a trailing stop in this strategy, meaning if the price is moving in your direction, the trailing stop will move with the price. And when the price is turning down against you and hit the trading stop, the position, the strategy will fire close signal. And that means you should close the trade. But of course, if you are a seasoned trader, if you are discussing about this trade in particular, you would have not closed here. It is huge room, at least until the price has a close below the upper band, you shouldn't have closed here. That's from our experience, but if you are following the strategy as it is, it's quite good enough. Okay, let's move on. Let's do some changes to see how the strategy is reacting. So right as right now, you are seeing here, the strategy has made from January 2025 on a regular day trading. It's made around 225%. Yes, it made 82% profitable trades, 44% profit factor, and drawdown like 1.19. Now, let's see what's happened if we are decreasing this to 0.5. You see, the profit increased to 269. Here, 1.21. The profitable trades also decreased to 77. The profit factor still high. Now it's for you to choose. Okay, now let's put it here 10. That means the distance. That means we are letting the strategy to take more trades, even if the price is already moved a little bit higher. You can see the profit in the profits and the profit increased dramatically. The drawdown tripled as to 3.14. Now, for some of you, is comfortable, is drawdown. For some of you, is not. So now that's for you to decide. Now let's try to increase to make it close a little bit faster, so the trailing to be tighter. Okay, you see the drawdown here has changed a little bit. The profitable trades has increased. That means it is tighter. That means it will close faster bet trades. Okay. Good. So the strategy is, the aim of the strategy is to give you an edge and to help you get more profits. Now let's see what's happening if we are choosing here to modify here and here. Okay, now what that means, okay, that means the strategy will take trades only in some particular window, not every time, not when you would expect to do. So if you are following the strategy, you will get the best results. Of course, you won't do that. You won't follow the strategy. You won't follow the strategy from start. For that reason, we are giving it for you 7 days to try it. Test the strategy. Check the strategy. See if it gives you an edge in this market, because the strategy is based on software and it's back tested. So it's for us to tell you that it's the best strategy, it doesn't mean anything. To show you graphs of earnings doesn't mean anything, because in the end, if you can't use it, or if you don't trust enough to use it, for you, it doesn't mean anything. So for that reason, you have to test it, back test it, check it, put it aside, run on demo accounts. do whatever you like. We are here to help you. Just send us inquiries or whatever you want to know or to test, and we will help you with that. Whatever improvements that we are going to make, updates, it will be available for you. So for now, that's that. Now we're going to produce and to upload a lot of videos from live trading, because this is what people want to see, live trading. You see that the most important thing on each strategy is not some particular trades that is winning, because are impressive, of course, but also the time when the strategy is wrong and how much is losing. And this drawdown is incredible, and you can make it even lower. Yes, you can tweak it and make it even lower. Just enter here, you can tweak it and make it even lower. You see, 1% drawdown, 153 trades. See, 1% drawdown. Of course the profit has slipped to 200% from January, so in 4 months. I don't know if it's high or low or whatever, but we have built this strategy and this platform for you to help everyone, to help us, to help you, to help everyone. Yes, of course, you can also tweak further. You can put here, smaller the channel, better the entries, higher the profit, a little bit. Yes, you can do whatever you want. So if you want to trade more, trade more. You can use this to anything that you want. You can use it to trade whatever you want. You can use it to trade crypto. Of course, there are different settings. You can find all different settings on QStrategyLab.com. You can tweak any settings. Now, we've delivered this video for you to understand more about how to set it, to better set the platform by yourself. Okay, now please follow us on YouTube. It's QStrategy Lab channel. Follow the channel. We will put there videos with live tradings for you to understand how powerful is this. You will see these dots. Once you start to trade based on our strategy, you will start to learn these dots. When you're looking at these dots, maybe you already have a vision and have an understanding. For most of traders, the beginners won't know what these dots are, but it will definitely help you to understand what are and to trade upon them.